What can walking do for mental health? For Joe Hall, it motivated him to start a nonprofit. It's called Hall Across the Country, and that is exactly what he's doing.
He is walking thousands of miles to raise both money and awareness for various mental health resources. And for the first time, one of his walks has taken him through Maine. Our Pearl Small caught up with him.
Maine State House has a new visitor on Tuesday.
We're going to keep going until I can't keep going.
This is the 7th state capitol Joe Hall has visited, and Hall has reached each one the same way he got here, solely on foot, as part of his second walk across the country.
There we have it, guys. A little over 6 months.
3 years ago, Hall walked more than 3,000 miles from Delaware to California. But when he hit that finish line, he was already thinking about the next one.
But now we got to start planning the next big adventures.
This time, he's taking a different path, hitting all 48 contiguous states. With each walk, his goal stays the same: to help people struggling with their mental health.
I've been there. I've been to the darkest of darks.
In 2020, Hall lost his job and then got into a motorcycle accident. The recovery process put him into a loop of constant mental and physical pain.
I had to make a decision to focus on something that wasn't the thoughts of hurting myself.
Hall embarked on his first cross-country journey to raise money for behavioral health at a children's hospital near his hometown. This journey has a bit of a different focus: to meet with legislators at different state capitals who have passed or are working on bills with a focus on mental health reform.
I want to highlight the people that are doing good with regards to mental health, so that other people out there that may be in the area that are struggling know that there are folks in office trying to fight for them.
While no Maine legislators were available to meet with Hall, he says there isn't a state so far in his journey where he hasn't been able to find leaders attempting to make strides. Through both of his journeys, Hall has changed his outlook on life.
I'm doing a 180 degrees from where I was at, almost 5 years ago.
And even on his toughest days, when the walking is anything but easy,
I'm dragging today, guys.
Hall finds a way to keep going.
There might be another, warehouse worker that went through or is going through something similar to what I'm going through. And if what I'm doing can inspire him or her to change their life, then I got to keep going.
In Augusta, Pearl Small, News Center, Maine.
That message there: tomorrow needs you.
Good reminder.
I love that. If you would like to donate to Hall's cause, you can do so through his website at hallacrossthecountry.com.
And remember this: if you or someone you know is struggling with mental health, you are not alone. You can call the Maine Crisis Line. The number is on your screen: 1-888-568-1112 or 711. And the number for the Suicide and Crisis Lifeline is 988. All of those resources, of course, available 24/7.